Step one.
So we got a piece of teak here from an old job, and we're going to go ahead and make a Tealight
Holder.
stand.
It's a holder. It's a candle holder.
Holster, whatever you want to call it.
Holder.
Holder, candle holder, Tealight holder. Okay. So we cut it to size of what we want, and first thing we'll do is I'm going to put a classic OG edge on it. Okay, just a router bit. You can purchase, 20 bucks. There we go. Need to fix this spot right here just a little bit because this was in the way. Just go ahead and twist that up. All better. Now the edge. Yeah, I know I could get a router table set up and all of that, but to be honest with you, by the time I get all that going, I'm done. So, don't overcomplicate things if you don't have to. It's teak, so it's very oily. So you gotta get all the dust off, and it feels like it's just saturated with oil, because it is. All right, so you got your edges all routed in. Now you're gonna have these little stringies here. It's just the top grain that didn't get quite cut from the bit. So just to grab a little piece of sandpaper. This is an old piece I've been using. Don't go this way with it because you're gonna cause issues with the grain here and you're gonna have to sand past it and everything. But just go like this and just go give it a little shot like that. And then come right off. You see that? Same thing with the other side. A couple of stringies. And that's it. Now we just have to mark where we want them. That looks about right to me. All right. Kind of get them where you want. And I don't really complicate it over here, boys and girls. Just got a pen. Mark the bottom. Mark the side. All right, and where those two meet is where I want the light, or the candle rather. Right here. And right here. So X marks the spot. No, I shouldn't have done that quite yet. I should have marked all three of them. So let's do that real quick. That looks about right to me. So down here, over here. So edges give me a little problems with my square, but we will make do. We'll just eyeball this. Right about there.
It's an awesome pen, Marco. Where'd you get it?
Oh, I made this. This, believe it or not, is also teak. Made out of this stuff. I make pens as a hobby, and it's fun. It's nice to make your own pen. You can make it as thin as you want, as thick as you want. I also do pencils, which are a lot of fun.
Are you going to be providing any of these pens for sale?
Only if I like you. All right, 1, 2, and 3. Let's make sure they're all in order, in line at least, before we continue. Get wax on here. 1, 2, and 3. They're all in a row. And it feels pretty good.
What are you sniffing?
All right, here we go. This is a drill press. Okay, very simple. Very cheap one, $99, Menards. Okay, there's no reason why every shop shouldn't have one. So just go ahead and get your bit right in the middle of your mark. I want it a little deeper than that.
You sure?
Yeah, because that's what I had the other one is.
Okay.
Here we go.
Gorgeous.
And the next one, same deal. These Forstner bits are great. If you aren't familiar, I haven't had the pleasure of using one, go buy yourself a set. Maybe just a little deeper. And the last and final one. Everything is easy with the right tool, guys. Everything. If you find yourself struggling with a task, it's probably because you're not using the best tool for it. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. Well done. Now I want to blow up all this dust before I put the finish on. Okay, now this is just butcher block oil. There's already enough oil in Teak, and it's not going to go outdoors anyway. But it's just to help make it pop. So it's food safe, so don't be afraid of it. Just put it on there and rub it all in there.
So is using your hand a good method to, or can people use a brush or cloth?
Whatever floats your boat. This stuff is technically food grade, so it's safe to ingest.
So in case you want to lick your Tealight holder.
Because it's Teak, it's already so oily, so not a lot's gonna absorb. But, so yeah, so there you go. It's got what it's got. It's nice even covering. And just grab a paper towel. Wipe off the excess that didn't absorb.
So altogether, this took you, we're at 14 minutes and 9 seconds.
So there you go. It could take you 15 minutes to make a little Tealight candle holder and save yourself 20 bucks from TJ Maxx. If even that. I don't know if it's going to be real Teak.
No.
It's probably going to be particle board.
Yeah, it's shitty wood.
Some bullshit. But, so there you go. Tealight holder.
This has been Marco with Everything House.
This has been Marco with Everything House. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions about anything you want me to build, anything else, let me know. Any questions about this, please, I'm all ears. Put it in the comments. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one.